In this video, we're going to be talking about the new Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We did make a previous video about the Galaxy S23 FE and if it was going to be released, and it looks like it is going to be released. So if you guys do want to pre-order this device, I'll leave a link in the description down below and the top comment. But it looks like the Galaxy S23 FE is going to be released at $599. And as you guys know, in the last video we talked about the Galaxy S21 FE. That was the last fan edition device that we had prior to the Galaxy S23 FE. I guess they just wanted to skip the whole S22 thing, which is cool, but this is going to be $100 less than that device. So that device was actually, I believe, $699, so a whole $100 discount. And it looks like they're cutting the whole fan edition thing just because it didn't really make sense, and they're just calling it FE because the branding's already there for that device. But we have some specifications right here. I do have some thoughts on this device, and always let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Is this a device you would pick up? I know there are many other people who would say I'd get the Galaxy A54 over this. I don't really care about a better camera or anything like that. I'd rather pay $200-300 less. And I know a lot of other people are like, I can get the Pixel 7a, I could get the Pixel 7, I could get bunch of other devices that are out there because we're so spoiled in this consumer society right now. But as you guys know, this device again is going to be released October 26, 2023, so in the next 20 days about. The display is going to be a 6.4 inch 2340 by 1080p display, 120 hertz refresh rate. For our hardware, we are going to have a Snapdragon Gen 1, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and get this, it is not expandable. And as for that processor inside of here, overseas I think it is going to be using an Exynos chipset. If I'm wrong about that, let me know in the comment section down below. Obviously Android 13 is going to be on this device outside the box, and we are going to get 4 years of OS updates. So we're going to go from Android 13 to Android 17. I know a lot of articles were making a big deal about that, but I don't really see that as a big deal because the Galaxy A54 and I believe even the A34 has 4 years of OS updates, and those are mid-range devices. So it's not extremely impressive, or as impressive as what the Pixel 8 did, which is they're offering, I believe, 7 years of OS updates, which is absolutely insane. But 4 is good. I think 4 is definitely a great way to go. Of course, we are going to have a triple camera setup. We are going to have a 50 megapixel main camera, and as far as like the video quality and the processor, of course, this is the device that you're going to want to get if you want a flagship device and you don't want to pay $200 more to get the regular Galaxy S23. So this is the type of device that you have the premium camera on, you have decent software support, you have the better processor and better RAM inside of it. So if you guys want to play, you know, Call of Duty on high graphical settings, or Genshin Impact, or more graphical intensive things like editing and creating content and stuff like that, this is the device you're going to want to get over the Galaxy A54. This is only if you're a Samsung fan, because I can definitely recommend many other devices other than the Galaxy S23 FE. I'm liking what I'm seeing on this device. We have a 25 watt charging rate. We have a 4,500 milliamp battery inside this device, pretty much ticking all of the boxes that I thought they'd tick. Also IP68, water and dust resistance, and we have an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and of course, last but not least, we have Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the back of the device, and of course aluminum around the device as well. So that's one thing that's really cool to see on here. We did not get Invictus like we got on the regular Galaxy S23, I believe it was. But let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy S23 FE. I think this is a decent phone. I think it's really smart of them to release this device at $100 less than they did with the S21 FE launch, and I think it was even smarter to keep the FE thing going, even though they didn't call it Fan Edition anymore. But pretty cool device. If you guys want to pick this up, I think it's a nice device. If you guys want to pre-order it, I'll leave it in the description down below. I'm absolutely gonna pick this up, so I'll check it out, absolutely tell you what I think inside the review. If you guys want my opinion before buying it, obviously don't buy it yet, but definitely gonna pick this up, definitely gonna see what's up with this device, and I'm super excited. But again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Hopefully you guys have a beautiful day. This has been some fun from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.